National President of NPP and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday arrived at Imphal to hold a meeting with party leaders in view of upcoming election in the state. Interacting with the media, Conrad Sangma said that the party will contest in the majority of the constituencies and will not have any pre-polls alliance with any political parties.
Productive meeting with the party functionaries, and the main purpose of having the meeting today and the main purpose of me coming to Imphal, to Manipur, is in connection with organizing the party, especially keeping in mind the upcoming elections in 2022. As you're aware, that the National People's Party is one of the 8 parties and the only political party from the Northeast which is a nationally recognized party. And that is because we fulfill the criteria laid down by the Election Commission. In the last 5 years to 6 years, the NPP has grown from being a party with only 2 MLAs to today having MLAs in many states in the Northeast, and also, as I said, more importantly, becoming a nationally recognized party. Our party is very firm on the ideology of creating and giving the platform to the people of the Northeast in order to ensure that the voice of our people and the issues of our region are heard at the national level. And with this objective, we have been working, and I'm very happy to see that in the past few years, the party has grown from strength to strength. This coming election in Manipur is also a very, very important election for us. And therefore, in order to ensure that the party is well organized and the party is ready to fight this coming election in 2022, we had a meeting with the state committee. We have formed a new unit for the youth wing of the party in Manipur. Many leaders from different constituencies have joined earlier, and today I just met them and had discussions with them. And also we are expecting that in the coming days also, in the coming weeks and months also, that more leaders will join the NPP and will contest from the NPP in the coming election. So, Meghalaya and in Nagaland and other states, the NPP has maintained that we are a party with its own identity, with its own constitution, and its own principles and ideologies. And hence we have always maintained that we will fight the election on our own, and based on the outcome and the political scenario, we will decide on how to move further. In Manipur, we have also seen that in the past, the BJP recently has also made a statement that they will also go on their own. And they have made a statement and a claim that they will also get majority on their own. So therefore, every political party has the right to contest and fight elections. And based on that, we will also go ahead and we will also fight on the seats, as I said, where we get positive response. And as I said, in majority of the seats, we are getting very positive response. And therefore, once that is done, we will decide on how to move ahead only after election results are out. Question on friendly fight is something that is normally not the way we see things. When we fight in a serious way, and we ensure that every constituency that we're going to contest in is going to be a serious fight for us. So therefore, we're quite firm and clear on our point that we will be taking every constituency